So in this section, we are going to introduce how the MapReduce is working under the framework of MATLAB. So as you can see over here, this is the actual MapReduce function within the file of MapReduce.m, and we are actually introducing the mapper function and the reducer function within two other independent files. So this is the original file, and we're actually using a sample dataset called the data_ca, which is something as you can see over here. And our goal is to do a statistical kind of summary about all the health condition of all the patients within a specific state. And we are going to count the number of different kinds of health conditions of the patient. So for example, over here, if we have 4 patients over here, and we are going to count how many people are healthy, how many people are dead, and how many people are vaccinated. But this is what the special thing is, that we're going to use MapReduce, use the special functionality or the special feature of MapReduce to do a really quick kind of computation using multi-core processing. So this is like a parallel multi-core processing using MapReduce under the framework of MATLAB. So this is somewhat quite similar to the Hadoop framework, but they are actually using the same feature, which is the multi-core parallel processing. All right. So let me just run the entire code over here for you to see how this code actually runs. Okay. So the first thing we are about to ask user to select the abbreviated name of the state. So for example, we should input CA, the capital letter of CA standing for California. And so far we only have the data, we only support the data for California, so we just input the capital letter of CA over here and hit the return button, and then it will pass the actual name of the file, and then we'll search for this file within the folder, and then it will show the data that is stored within that file, and then it is doing the MapReduce process using parallel MapReduce execution on the parallel pool. So this is actually a just like what I said, a multi-core processing under MATLAB. So as you can see at the bottom left of the screen, and it says the parallel pool on local has been running for blah blah blah, and we have the number of workers of 2, which is because the platform that is running this code is a 2-core 4-thread processor. So it is allocating 2 workers, and then it is giving the actual the final result of how the actual number of different health conditions of the patients, and what's more, the order of how the health condition tag is are arranged is followed by the alphabetical order. So this is followed by the D, the H, and V. Okay, so this is actually a sample of how the MapReduce is working under MATLAB, and we can actually extend it to a even large program or even large data set, which can include a set of 50 states of data sets, and for each of the state we can have a large number of data within the specific file. Okay, so this is actually what we have done during the past few days, and hope you guys enjoy it.